Well, hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a faulty copy of Super Bomberman 2 on the Snes. Now, I've got a Snes here, plug it in and just rearrange the camera to here. As you can see, there's nothing on the screen, but if I get incantation, there you go. So we've got our game running. It's got some sound, but right, let's give this the usual little squirt of IPA. And it doesn't do anything. So I'm going to take that out, put this Snes over there out of the way, come back to the desk and pull it apart. See what it looks like on the inside. Okay, now I'm going to check and make sure this is the right PCB. It is SPAL M40, so I'll pop that, well, I'll take it with me and I'll be back in a sec. Yep, I have found it on snescentral.com, PCB, blah blah blah. This is the right PCB, so at least we know someone's not taken it apart, swapped the guts out for something else that didn't work. So let's start by giving these a good rub down. Just feel a bit sticky on the back here. But it doesn't look like it's been tampered with. Not really sure. But yeah, that should... I mean, it doesn't stick 100%, but yeah, that has got some flux on there. Someone's been at it a little bit, so I don't know, but we're going to try and fix it. Let's find the multimeter. We'll have a quick look on the chip to see if anything's cracked. After my experience with that sodding 3DS game, but no, nothing looks cracked on there. Although something looks iffy here. If you can see it, might just be a hair or something. Yeah, it is. Oh well. Get off. Right. Yeah, it mostly looks okay. There's nothing that stands out instantly as being a problem. So I suppose the first thing I should do is find the ground. Are you ground? Possibly, possibly not. So that's ground, and I presume, does it match up with that? Must do. Yeah, good, right. So that is my ground. So that one is pulling to ground. Let's see where, if that's meant to be it. Hang on. So looking at a diagram, pin 5 would be ground. I don't know which way round that's meant to be though. If I flip it over, that would be pin 5 if 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, normal. Don't flip it. No. Right, I need to find a better diagram. It says 5, so that's 6, so that's 5, yeah. 5 and 36. So well, that's 40, 39, 38, 37, 36. So 36 and 5 are ground, yeah? Good. And they go to there. See. So yeah, of course it goes to there because that is that, is that. And that one then goes to here. That's meant to be a capacitor, that's why. And that goes to them. That, yeah. So it does have to go through that capacitor. So that could be a potential reason why. But let's just do what we do on the Mega Drive ones. And I'll test ground to there. I think the red one needs to be on ground. So they're all okay. Well, let's we've given it a bit of a rub down. Give it a wipe over. And I'm going to try and plug it in again. And which way do you go round exactly? Right, you go in there. So that's a giant big fat no. That's not done anything. Right. Let's have the meter back on. And let's do the boring bit. Going from you to you. Yeah, you go there, so you go up to there. Now you're 1, then you're 2, then you're 3, then you're 4. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're definitely this one. You want. Yep. Okay, you don't go anywhere. You'll be 3. You'll be 2. Yep. You're going to there. You're going to there. Oh, 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 oh. Potential skullduggery. That could be break on the pin. Where does it go? It goes up, round on the outside. It goes to, oh, goes to there. So, does it work? Does it not work? Please don't work. Well, no. Well, that looked like it might have been. Right, so that's those pins. Where do these go? This one goes to here. Yep, this one goes to here. That goes to well, there shouldn't be anything. Oh, it's just catching on that. Looks like it's been. I imagine this has been tested before. So you're going to here. Yep, you're going to here. Yep. And we got those. Yep. That's interesting. So that first one, yeah, and this one must come down to here. Yeah, that one must go to there. That one, yeah. Yeah, so they seem okay on that side of the board. That's buggered off underneath there somewhere, as of most of those. And that's all I can see from that side. So, well, the soldering iron's on. Let's give it a fresh solder all around. Look, you lot, you don't want to be stuck together. I've got a slight bridge on there, but we'll deal with that the only way we know how. There you go. Now let's crack on. Just topping these up with solder. Right, that's everything with a big fat... Oh, no. Oh, no. Right. We just zoom in here. That doesn't look like it's got a contact. So... first things first is I'm going to put it in its shell and see if it works. And then I'm going to come back and scrape a little bit of this away. And try and get a blob of solder on it. And then see if it works. Because I think that might be the issue. Yeah, of course nothing works. Right. So let's just get this apart. Well, this is great. You can't see what I'm doing, and neither can I, because I need to get in to there. Which I think I've sort of done. So that comes down from there, goes down to yeah, jolly good. You can't be telling me that's stuck for a flipping time. No, it hasn't. I didn't think so. I'm not having random ideas at all. About putting blobs of solder onto I mean, if this doesn't work, I am just going to go and find another cartridge to try and attach it to. that is technically yeah, right, okay, out we come. Let's have a look. I still don't think it's going to fix it. Huh, alright, I was wrong, that has fixed it. So we were missing, basically this this pin here comes down along there and goes into this wire here, but the trace broken on that, like even though we tested it, that must have been very intermittent, but now we've got a nice strong connection. I'm going to just take that off. It is going to need a good clean up, and yeah, that's in there nicely. So back in its shell. Well, of course I'm going to have to get all that stupid no clean flux off, but I'll do that in a minute. And yeah, there we go. Super Bomberman 2, all fixed up. It's taken a while, 45 minutes maybe, but something to do. Cool. Well, I'm going to clean the cartridge up and put it back together, and thanks for watching. I'll see you later in the next one. Cheers, bye.